Hi there crafters, it's Helena from the HelenasHandarbeit blog. Today I'd like to show you how you can use the new VARIO Creative Tool from Prym to punch rivets and tubular rivets through even thick fabric. Okay, so now let's get started. Of course, before you can punch the rivet into the fabric, you will need a hole. To make the hole, lift the handle into the starting position until it clicks into place. Now insert the piercing tool. The cone goes upwards into the tool holder and the cylinder inserts into the high adjustable platform. Now take the fabric and position it in the tool before dropping the handle into the middle position. Check that everything is positioned properly. Make any fine adjustments and then press down. If you have thicker layers of fabric or a thicker fabric, then you can place your palm along the top of the handle with the other hand on top and use both to push down and punch the hole. Next, lift the handle back up into the vertical starting position and remove the fabric with the hole in it. For the next step, remove the piercing tool from your VARIO Creative Tool. Handily, the rim is extra wide, making it easier to remove the attachments. Now, a tip from me: if you're working with tubular rivets, you'll need to set the adjustable screw a little higher. Next, insert your tools. To do this, remove the height adjustable platform and then you can insert the tools in the height adjustable platform and in the tool holder. Now take the fabric and the rivet and place them on top of the holder tool, insert the relevant adapter and lay the corresponding part on the top. Next, set the handle to the middle position again. It will click into place and you can check the positioning and make any final adjustments. Then it is time to push the handle all the way down. If you have several layers of fabric or a somewhat thicker fabric, I'd recommend using the palm of your hand to press down, with your other hand on top. Then lift the handle back up into the starting position and remove the fabric with the rivet inserted. You can use any rivets or tubular rivets from Prym's existing non-sew range in conjunction with the VARIO Creative Tool. There are specific tools for rivets and tubular rivets that you can buy separately. These will allow you to punch rivets of 7.5 and 9 mm diameter. Make sure when you are using regular rivets that you screw the adjustable screw in lower. If you see these icons on the packaging, you can use the rivets and tubular rivets with the VARIO Creative Tool. Here's a tip from me: if you realize at this point that your rivet is too loose and swivels in the fabric, simply place it back into the tool, tighten the adjustable screw a little, and punch the rivet tighter into the fabric. Thanks for crafting with me. If you want to know more about the Prym VARIO Creative Tool, then head over to their website and subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can find more tutorials and step-by-step crafting videos on this channel.